Ricardo Nunes, Antonia, septimo. Hi guys, welcome to our kitchen. Okay people, tonight I'm gonna make a roast chicken. Okay, honey and lemon roast chicken. I'm gonna make it with the salad. Okay people, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay guys, I have chicken, half chicken, so I cut it into two. It's really good, it's really nice, like that. And then I have butter, honey, and salt in paper. Of course, lemon and rosemary. Wow, this is like delicious. You know, honey and lemon is perfect combination. Thing is pretty good. Okay guys, let's start. So we're gonna put salt first. Salt, okay, yan. Lagyan muna natin siya ng salt. Yan. And then all around lahat para mas malasa. And then this one I'm gonna put in the oven. It's about like 30 minutes. Okay guys, to be roast 30 to 45 minutes. Okay people, and then the next is paper. Yan. Haluin lang natin. Mix together all around. Yan. It's perfect, isn't it? Look amazing. Masarap po to. And lalagyan ko din siya guys ng olive oil. So nice and a bit olive oil. Anyway, we have butter already. Okay guys. And the next is honey. Look, imamarinate muna natin siya para ayan. It's look amazing. Okay guys, yeah. Okay natin. Haluin din natin siya. Mix together. Ganun lang. Just like these people. Wow, perfect. Internet. And then, hugas ako ng kamay ko, okay? Wow, look at that. Delicious. Okay, guys. Okay, people, look at that. It's nice and color. Okay, at this one is the rosemary and lemon. So, I'm gonna squeeze the lemon in the chicken. Squeeze lang natin siya. So, pag may seed, just take it the seed. Okay, guys? Ayan. At baliktarin lang natin. Ayan. Amazing. Okay, guys? Ayan. Hello. Wow, amazing. So, and then, the next is okay guys, lagay na natin siya dito sa tray. Baking tray. So, baliktarin ko lang to. Ayan. Ganyanin lang natin. Okay. Make space. And then the sauce, I make the sauce this as well. Para malasa. Yung sauce niya to be marinated the chicken, I put inside the chicken. Okay people, lagyan natin siya ng rosemary, okay? Around. So, pampalasa din ito. Okay lang siya masunog, so it's okay, it's fine. Look at this. Okay guys. Amazing. Yan, para maipit. Okay people, and then lagyan natin yung butter. Anyway, magmi-melty naman siya. So, ayan. Magmi-melty siya people. So, it's fine again. So, lagay natin sa chicken para yung flavor is wow and perfect. Okay guys. Now, I'm gonna put in the oven inside. It's about 30 and 45 minutes. So, yeah. Okay guys. Nakita nyo na. Look at that. Kalalagay ko lang. Okay guys, nilagay ko na po yung chicken and hopefully together, okay? And then next step, I'm gonna put the, I'm gonna preparing the salad. So chicken, roast chicken with, honey and lemon and fresh salad. So now I'm gonna preparing the salad, and then it's gonna be yummy and delicious. Okay, people, look at this. It's all cooked, and then I have gravy. Yummy gravy. And I have collection salad. So I'm gonna put now in the pan. Okay, wow, amazing. Wow, look at this. Yummy. Look at that. And then lagyan natin yung salad, okay? Okay, lagyan natin yung salad here. Wow, amazing. Look at that. Look at that, people. Fantastic. Yan. Amazing. Look at that. Roast chicken with honey and lemon. This is amazing, guys. With gravy. So this gravy we're gonna put in here like this. Look at this. Excellent. Isn't it? Wow. Fantastic. Hola, Carlos Diaz, Elsa Benzi, Virginia Loli, Vinya Comer, Mua. Hi guys, okay guys, my roast chicken with honey and lemon is all done. So hopefully you're enjoying my recipe, and thank you for watching today. It's really good, it's really amazing, it smells delicious. Oh, I cannot wait to try this. So the gravy was fantastic as well. So thank you for watching, and I like to try this. Okay, try natin yung chicken. Oh, amazing. Amazing, guys. Hang on. That chicken. Absolutely excellent. Amazing. This chicken is so yummy. Delicious. I could believe it. Wow, it's amazing. Wow. Okay, guys. Hang on a minute, okay? Wait. The gravy was yummy. I love it. Amazing. Thank you for watching. That is nice taste. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye now. See you on next video. Please subscribe and like. From We Love Food World. In the kitchen we are fire. Thank you. Bye.
Want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life, and what does it show? We love food